The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Iowa: Kossuth, Winnebago, Worth, Mitchell, Hancock, Cerro Gordo, Floyd, Humboldt, Wright, Franklin, Butler, Webster, Hamilton, Hardin, Grundy, Boone, Story, Marshall, Tama, Dallas, Polk, Jasper, Poweshiek, Madison, Warren, Marion, Mahaska, Clark, Lucas, Monroe, and Wapello. Until 12:45 p.m., at 12:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 miles north of Algona to near Osceola, moving east at 70 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.